someone having a fire over there. Okay, well, here's our latest update. This is the orchard area, now all marked out with miniature fruit trees and currant bushes and vines. Each is a hole with mixed up with some manure. That's what each of the markers are going. The next stage is to get the membrane down. So how did I prepare the ground? Well, let's go through the checklist. Bone meal, bucket of manure, a rake, shovel and fork, and wheelbarrow. So I started by digging a smallish hole around the marker. This is what I was laying out earlier. The first couple of shovels I put aside. These were going into the bottom of a raised bed. That done, handful of bone meal into the bottom, half a bucket of manure. Backfill with some of the soil. By the way, this is my way, may not even be right, this is what I'm sort of instinctively doing. The rest of the manure, scrape in the soil, then give the whole lot a good mix with the fork. And finally, just draw it all together with the rake. Still some leaks, taking that and Brussels from the preceding owner. These beams, they don't seem to be very happy here. I don't know why. Maybe they've just got too leggy in the first stage. Well, we'll see as things go up. And trying to keep the foxes off these. This is garlic, and yep, they are beginning to sprout. You see now there is another raised bed and a third over there. I think try and get a little bit straighter. That was because I found 2 bits of wood, so I just got 2 other bits of timber just to make it up. So they're ready to go. Not a lot happening here. I need to get the some cardboard and topsoil down on that, get that into a raised bed. Just hope this will stay open into the greenhouse. And I'd like to say, I think they're seeing some life on those potatoes, hopefully. I don't know if I mentioned before, I put this extra shelf in, so when we get seed starting in earnest, we can bring seedlings on in here. This old table was in the shed, and hopefully you'll see now that's been removed and got a proper built potting bench made with my own fair hand. Take a look. The potting bench was made to measure at my home. It basically is a bench, but with a back and sides, so you can put potting mix onto it, fill potting trays, and then brush off your mix back into its container. So, coming out of here, wheelbarrow chained up. I must admit, my philosophy for the wheelbarrow is my neighbours don't chain theirs up, so if anyone could nick them, I'm hoping it won't be mine. It's an easterly wind today, it's bitterly cold and raining slightly. Too much. So just going back down the path again, I see neighbours. That's my neighbours, unfortunately, not mine. This is mine. So we're getting through the leeks. They are delicious. Need a lot of stripping off, but they really are tasty. And I think this might have been cauliflower ones. Need to go into the compost. Another look at the orchard area. So basically it is, I think, 6 gooseberry brushes, 9 currant bushes bought, but I'm also going to take one from home and see how it gets on with more light. And then we're down to the orchard area, 2 cherries, 1 fig, 2 apples, a plum, I think, and a pear, but they're all miniature. They're basically designed for patio so that we don't fall foul of the rules of how high it's going to be. And 3 vines, grapevines here. This thing, the site manager said he's going to remove and that anybody who wants it have it, but he hasn't yet. So one of these days will turn up, but it won't be here, hopefully. And that's where we are. See you next time.